Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to clear trash on Gmail, and now let's dive right in. Now to clear your trash on your Gmail, first open up your Gmail app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the account on which you want to clear your trash. And after opening your Gmail, guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see there's a three-lined icon available for us at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the three-lined icon at the top left corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear, or this kind of menu will appear. Over here, guys, we'll be required to scroll down a little bit and we'll be able to find the trash option available for us over here just below the spam. Tap on trash and all of your trash mails which you had deleted on Gmail will be over here. Now in order to clear your trash, you can see the empty trash now button available for us over here. Tap on that empty trash now button over here and this kind of box will appear where it says empty trash. Tap on the empty button over here and then your trash on your Gmail account will be cleared out. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to clear your trash on Gmail. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.